Secondary machining. This is a really big portion of the cost. The tolerancing, what's called out on the specs. In our design guide, there's different specs with as cast surface finishes versus what people are looking for tolerancing and machining. And you can add a lot. I know you had a project not too long ago where the added machining was just out of this world. So
yeah, and that's a big thing you have to consider too when you're doing machining, especially when it's a larger casting, because when you start getting into your cope and drag, in a perfect world, even then your casting will never close the exact same way, so there's a specific tolerance that you add in your casting on the machine end to accommodate that. And if you're starting to work on too tight tolerances, it could increase your spindle time anywhere. Like if you're looking at extremely tight tolerances, that could be a very expensive part to try to hold and maintain.
Yeah, and you're also paying for fixturing too, right? I know there's a tool you buy to start, but there's also tools and fixturing for machining too. So if you have multiple machining ops, sometimes there's a fixture for each operation too. So that obviously adds cost as well.